Hello everybody and welcome to the Wakelet News Splash. I am Misbah and today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the Flipgrid Shorts integration that we've got on Wakelet, the new read mode and how it integrates with Immersive Reader from Microsoft, and also I'm going to touch on our new partnership with Merge. Earlier this year, we attended ISTE in Philadelphia, and it was really cool because we got to take part in Flipgrid Live. And it was a really good opportunity for us to announce our new integration with Flipgrid on stage in front of thousands of educators. It was incredible. The integration is really simple. It allows teachers to go to a Wakelet collection, click the Flipgrid button, and immediately open up Flipgrid Shorts camera. And this camera allows them to record 3 minutes of video, along with a whole bunch of different special effects that they can use to add some flavor and personality to their collections. Once they click save, that video then goes directly into their Wakelet collection. When we first released it, we were really excited to hear what type of feedback would come from the educator community and try and understand a little bit about how they were using the integration. Well, that feedback has come back and it is awesome. Teachers are using the new Flipgrid Shorts video to do amazing things with their Wakelet collections, like contextualizing their resources, adding a human element to their newsletters, and much, much more. So each day we're having more and more educators use the feature in really new and cool ways. We can't wait to see how you use it. And now for Wakelet Read Mode. Read Mode is probably one of the most exciting features that we've rolled out this year. Read Mode allows you to view the text of an article in a really easy to view format. So when you're on a Wakelet collection now, you should notice that when you hover over any article, you'll find the little Read Mode tab. When you click that, that will open up Wakelet Read Mode, bringing you the text from that article in a really visual and simple way. But best of all, we've been able to bring in all of the amazing features that Microsoft's Immersive Reader has and put them straight into Read Mode. That helps make the text really easy to understand and more accessible and inclusive for everybody. Now, accessibility is really important for us here at Wakelet, so if you have any ideas on how we can make the platform more accessible, just send us a tweet or an email and we'll get straight to it. Merge is a virtual/mixed reality platform that allows teachers and educators across the world to make virtual reality lessons more accessible than ever. So if you're a teacher looking to bring mixed reality, augmented reality, and virtual reality into your classrooms, then check out Merge's new Wakelet page, wakelet.com/@merge. Here you'll find plenty of resources to get you started in bringing that mixed reality into your classroom and giving your students those really engaging lessons that they'll remember forever. So that's it for now. Make sure to join us for the next Wakelet News Splash, which should be appearing in your news feeds as soon as it's out. And don't forget, if you want to keep up to date to everything that's happening in the Wakelet universe, then make sure to follow us on Twitter, follow the hashtag WakeletWave, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time.